Today we'll try to make first program in AXACAD Professional. It is the CAD-CAM program for this kind of machine. It is working center for aluminum, PVC, lightweight steel profiles, wood, and so on. First we'll open the CAM tab and select new project. These are the standard devices like here on the machine. We will leave them be. We will select a profile from AXA Group DXF file. It is AutoCAD and similar CAD file. We will open it. We can put the thickness, but we don't need it, and the bar length. Bar length is 2000 millimeters, and we will select OK. Now we have the program has put the profile on its vise. It is the vise like on the machine. Now we must make a position. We will add a position and 0 degrees. Okay, now we have in the lower window we have the profile. Now we will add work. Select insert standard work, and we will try to do rectangular hole. Select rectangular hole, click confirm. This is the dimensions of the hole. Let's make 150 millimeters and 16 millimeters wide, and we will use a tool from our tool database, cylindrical mill. We will take a cutter 6 millimeters for now. We can select any of these. We'll click apply. This is the reference. From where does the machine, the program, see the dimensions of the work? I will not change now this, and I will here put the X, the distance of the X. Let it be around 600 millimeters, and epsilon, let it be around 57 millimeters. Now we see that here is where the position of the cutter will be, the position of the work. The red label means, let this apply and close. The red label means where the cutter comes when it's positioning. So we will widen this. Let it come from higher plane, and the lower green position is where there is the point of cutting. How deep does he cut? We want to cut that first line, and we will put it to cut this. The first chamber, okay. Okay, we don't need oil because we work with PVC. We will turn this off, and this is it. We will go to Cam tab, generate code. Here we can select the vices. We will put 3 vices. These are manual vices, and this black means where the machine will work. So we will not put here the vice, because if we work another plane 90 or 270 to 270 degrees, there will be a conflict. The spindle will start to cut the vice, which is not good, of course. We will click OK. Yes. OK. And we will click generate. On the code tab, we have now the code, machine code, and we will see what we can make it save. Yes. And now we go to the program of our working center. We will load the program. And click on the start cycle button. Let's see what happens. The spindle is not sharp. It came with the machine. We will need to replace it. But this is it. Now we can send the tool home in its repository by clicking this button. And this is it. GreenMac Versus Machining Center with AXACAD Professional 1.5 software.